So, we're on a roll today. We're down in the studio. We decided to fire up some videos for you. And while we were at it, we decided to do 3 of them. And you guys are going to watch them all. You're going to like and you're going to
subscribe.
And
you're done with the like button.
Smash the like button.
Guys, you're done with this video. Go in the comments and tell us what your favorite wrestler is.
That's very good. Maybe we'll leave comments on for this one because usually we don't put comments because we don't want people to be mean and to troll us. That's not cool. You guys are just little kids trying to have some fun with dirt, right? Alright, cool. So, another wrestling crate, pro wrestling tees. We've got one more after this and we haven't posted all the videos yet and you'll probably sometime in the summer before you see this one. So, enjoy. Let's see what we got. Who gets to go first?
Me.
Why you go first?
He's the youngest.
Youngest. All right, ready? So, let's see. Reach in. Oh, wait, spoiler card. Get rid of that. All right. Reach in, take one thing out. One thing. Whoa. A shirt. Uh-oh, this shirt's very, very special. Very cool. You know why? Because it's Chris Jericho.
I want to see
a bottle of the bubbler? He's the demo god. Oh man, that's a great shirt. This guy is one of my favorites. He's definitely very cool. Should we do the t-shirt thing? I have it put on?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Whoa! It's pretty good. This one's a little looser than the other ones. Screen printing's pretty good. The colors are really interesting, you know? That's awesome. So Chris Jericho, what do I know about Chris Jericho? What do we know about Chris Jericho? We know about the list, right? That the guy showed me. Wait a second. A very cool segment. Oh, I'm going to suplex you. A cool segment where he was going down a list of every single wrestling move that he knew. He's just great. He keeps coming back in different cool ways. Your turn, Cassius. Ready? Reach in, take something. We're taking out this. What the heck is this? S is for suplex. We're definitely going to read this. This is really cool. It's a kid's book. Oh, this is great. It's a kid's book, and we'll show some stills of it. And it's just the ABCs, written by Ryan Schroep and illustrated by Nicholas Camina. This is very cool. So we'll read this one together. Maybe we'll do a video of us reading it, all right?
Yeah, reading the books with Scott.
That is very cool.
Don't mind.
What do you got? Oh, another t-shirt. Make your story. What the heck?
Toy Story.
Let me stand up and check this one out.
It's like Toy Story.
It is like Toy Story.
It's Toy Story as wrestlers.
Toy Story as wrestlers. I'm not really sure who these guys are. Once again,
Toy Story.
this will probably be likely sold on eBay. I do not know who this is or what this
Toy
is.
Story.
Snap! Oh, it fits pretty good. Nice material. This one's nice material. And then sleeves fit good.
Look at Ace filing.
Whose turn is it?
Yeah.
Ace's turn. Okay. Reach in, take one thing.
Ace already did the shirt.
Oh, one thing. All right, one thing. Let's see what this is. I do not know who this is. It says professional wrestler. It says Colt. And Cabanara Mama? Cabanara Mama? I have no idea. Oh boy.
And they called Dave.
It's called Brawler Buddies. It's kind of made by the same company.
The Wall Boys can show in the face.
Yeah. All right. Let's take care of that because we'll likely pass this on to someone on eBay too. Wonderful work though. The details in there and everything. We'll put some pictures in for you. All right. Whose turn is it? We'll read this in a bit. Whose turn?
Mine.
Reach in, take one. Oh, there it is. Hey! I know who this is. This is Coco Beware, the Birdman. He was when I was your age. He came out. He was one of the coolest wrestlers there was. You know why he was so cool? He actually had a real. That's right. He had a real parrot. A real parrot. He would take out into the ring, and it was so cool. Nowadays, it would have been neat making poop on somebody, right? So that's a good one. That's a keeper. Coco Beware, everybody. Hold on, reach in one more.
No, that's a 0.
Oh, one thing left, and then it's Dad's special thing. Latino Heat. do not know who that is. Latino Heat, Rey Mysterio.
That's Dave's name.
That's Dave's name. What about the
No more.
Guevara? No, Sammy Guevara? No, probably not.
Let
But
me
anyway, Latino Heat, we'll get you a picture of that. And
Let
then
me see.
finally, wait for it. Wait for it. This is the one that Dad gets to open. Okay, here it is, everybody. Ready?
Yeah, please be
Now,
rock.
what are the chances are? We knew out of 4 or 5 of these, we only knew.
Please go pee.
Go ahead.
I think it's gonna be rock.
Think it'd be Rock. If it was Rock, dude, I would be so excited. But I think we said that before. It's probably gonna be somebody we don't know. Okay. Let's see who it is. Slowly we open it. Is it gonna be somebody that we do not know? Opening it, opening it, opening it. It's a lady.
It's rock.
Oh, it's my favorite female wrestler ever. Dr. Britt Baker. She's an actual dentist. Yeah, I swear, she's an actual dentist. And she can fix your teeth, and then she wrestles. I don't know much more about her than that, except she's in the women's division or was in AEW. This is definitely a keeper. Dad's a fan.
Yep.
You should be too, because she not only can put the moves out there and I'm wrestling, you never have a cavity again, right? Take care of your teeth. This was November 2020's Pro Wrestling Crate, and it had Bambino, Chris Jericho t-shirt, Figure Story, no, that's who this was, Matt Cardona, Brian Myers, Swoggle, and Chelsea Green t-shirt. That's the one I have on.
Toy Story.
I thought I knew Brian Myers. I think he's the
Toy
guy.
Story.
No, that's not the guy who goes fishing.
Toy Story.
Coco Beware Micro Brawler.
Dad, I tell you something.
Yes.
Toy Story.
I know it's Toy Story, dude. And we have S's for Suplex Kids book, which we're going to read together. Britt Baker autographed 8x10. Eddie Guerrero. Did I say that? Oh, I said Sammy Guevara. Eddie Guerrero. Oh, Eddie Guerrero. Bleh, Guerrero. Same thing. Colt Cabana. Brawler Buddy. I do not know who that is. And then the coupon off the next order. So that's it for today. We want to thank everybody.
My name is
She's the dentist girl. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.